Hey there, welcome to Sandra Series, your one-stop channel for beauty tips, styles and hacks. Today I'll be showing you how we make this beautiful knotless braid on a natural hair from start to finish. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscription bell and give this video a thumbs up, and that will be fantastic. So you get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, grab your seat and let's dive right into it. So here we are detangling the hair with cold water gently, and you have to partition it and mat it so it won't get together again after washing. And here we're washing it with her shampoo, a black shampoo, and warm water. And after washing, we have to detangle it again gently with our white tooth comb and leave-in condition. And if you don't have leave-in condition, you use your coconut oil on the scalp and shea butter on the hair so it will be free. And after detangling it, you have to stretch it to be free for the braids. And after stretching, you partition the hair because it's not going to be one person that will braid it. So you partition it into 4 places or more. This is our extension, our gold extension, according to our customer's desire. While partitioning it, you take it from ear to ear. And here we use our shine and jam edge control to make the line straight and neat. And this is the way we partition it. And after braids, you will not even notice that we partition it this way because it's going to be on a uniform. And we use our shine and jam on the line to make the work neat. And you can see the box are equal and our lines are neat. Okay, here is our ear to ear part. Please let us know in the comment section what you would like to see next. Also, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when we post a new video. Even as the hands is more than 1 or 2 hands, the hair is still coming out well. In the back and the front is still the same. They're on the same line. This is the part of trimming. Trim it gently and carefully. The hair to be neat. And while others are still making the hair, others are trimming for the work to be fast. You can see how neat is the hair. The hair is so beautiful. And uniform. And you soak it with our hot water, not very hot. Something you can touch. Then you trim the tip and put it back in the hot water. Now apply my cream in order for the tip to be smooth. Then you soak the hair part by part. You can see the water is not very hot because I added a little cold water, so it won't affect the attachment. Wow, our hair is coming out very nice. And these are mousse. Apply your mousse to make the hair more smooth and neat. Look at how beautiful the hair is. Yes, you can use your hand to squeeze out the water. And here we're using our shine and jam to do our edge. And spray your oil sheen to make the hair shine. Because while soaking, the oil was not there anymore, so you have to spray it with oil again. And here we are doing our edges. Our shine and jam edge control. If you'd like to see a video on how to make your edges, please leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you.
Okay, great.